Okay. Let's move this liner again. Do what?
Okay. That don't even come off there.
Oh God. Not fun. I'm good.
Feel so useless.
No, you're doing your job. Make sure I don't fall. Okay.
Yeah, I don't want you falling on me.
At least document it. Yeah. That was not fun. What's the idea? Okay. This right here should get you. This should get you everything you need right here. Just a little perfect little pack of sockets. And then this bad boy. Run, 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 run. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this loose and probably take it out.
Yeah, I wore my other brush out.
It's so rusted.
And then the other brush I told you looked like a damn spark plug brush.
Oh, I got a cool brush. We'll just pop this and take it completely out. Oh, we don't have to do all that. We ain't gotta do all that. I'll show you. I got that power tool, remember?
What power tool?
I showed it to you once.
Yeah, but you gotta take that wheel loose from the shaft to get it out.
No, I'll show you.
Or are you just gonna take the ears off of it? Take it that way?
Nope.
Huh?
No. God, that thing is beat up. It's like old. It's got all that grease, that restaurant grease in it.
Oh yeah. You use the whole hub tool.
Okay. Get a little bit more on that.
You get this one already?
Yeah. like to mess around. Ain't nobody got time for that.
That other brush that I got, it's got the wires on the inside. You still it don't take but just a second. It cleans that damn thing, cleans the whistle. But I had one the other day. It was all pitted up and it wore my damn brush out, so I gotta get another one.
Look at how rusty that thing is. It don't even matter. And it works good every time until I break this thing in half. All right, so I pull the screws out, open this. We're gonna clean this a little bit. Yeah. Let me go get my brush.
What horsepower was this one have?
I don't know. You got the motor.
This is a 1 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a pretty big motor. Run, run.
That must be a 5 ton up in there.
This one usually does the trick pretty well.
It wasn't under warranty, was it?
I think it was. Can't remember though. And don't get it perfect, but it gets it better than it was. God, look at that. It probably is. It's just missing the magnet in it. But that little socket set's probably about 20 years old. Bingo. Looks about right. You found the piece?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't hide it good enough. You waiting on me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get wet too. It's already, the ice is dripping off the line set. Okay, I think I might have to go up the same way. Like this. It needs to go in this way. So like this. Wish I could see the struggle. Should have got a different camera angle. Oh god. Talk about getting lucky. Slid right in there first try. Okay. Getting soaking wet. I think these heat strips are on right now. Feel a lot of heat. You hear me? Okay. Cheers, Milwaukee. Orange. Orange and yellow. And blue. There's something going on. It's up there ramping up and down right now. Yeah. Yes, it is running today when it ain't supposed to be running. Oh, that contactor is bad.
Yep.
We'll add it to the list. Oh, God. It's got a run alert. The ice falls.
Yeah, she's welded.
Oh, I'm glad I brought one with us. I didn't bring a screwdriver though.
What?
It's overrated. I didn't bring my Leatherman or anything.
Sometimes it's hard to get that in there.
Oh, I didn't.
You gotta have it with that.
You didn't bring a screwdriver with you? I might have to go down with you and hold the door open. High security here.
Yeah, like anybody wants to get the truck out here.
Oh. Who forgets the screwdriver? The guy who brings all the tools. That'd be me. Yeah, but that just, I'm already sweating. High security, they won't give us a code to this door. And we forgot the screwdriver. So, I gotta wait here and open it for him while he digs in my tool bag. I don't know why it's taking so long. There's only 2 screwdrivers. I only got like 2 screwdrivers. The just in case tool.
Yeah, the multi-tool.
Always check for power. I thought you were doing Indiana Jones. Do 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 do. I just use my mouth.
Still loose.
Man, I forgot my leather at home too. Don't stab your finger.
Son of a beach. The hell?
Bullfrog in my stomach. He's wanting to come out. That was a deep growl. I don't ever like these. I always break these. I don't like these contactors.
You tighten
Packard. Yeah, with all these aluminum wire we deal with.
What'd you do with the screwdriver?
I don't know. You had it.
No, you last one with it.
You trying to be somewhere right now? Put it against that ground real good.
Yeah, home. That's what I'm trying to be. I actually got a big poker game that I'm playing in tonight. Up at Ebro, we got a 2-5 game with a minimum $1,000 buy-in.
Must be nice to have all that pocket money.
Well, I normally end up making some good money too, because there's a lot of gambling idiots that play in that game. Of course,
Like, I'm a gambling idiot.
there's some of those guys that'll buy in for 10 grand. I normally buy in for 2,500.
I want to buy in for like $20.
You wouldn't last no time with $20.
Told you.
Fuck.
It's hard. The good thing is that's just a plastic guard for that outside piece.
Yeah.
But every time I told you.
I told myself I wasn't gonna do that, but I did it anyway.
Oh, it's funny.
Alrighty.
I don't know if I like that.
I don't like none of it. And I don't like
It's
them
all
some bitches
just
either.
packed in there. All right, turn around. Watch your blow. Boom. Yes.
It's not running.
That's fine. All right, so on that one, if you guys remember, I did a little video of a unit frozen up. It was soft ice indicating airflow. That blower motor wasn't running correctly, so I put in to replace it. As we returned today, got the blower motor and everything working like it should. Realized that the condenser unit did not want to kick off, so we go up there and that contactor is locked up also. So it's a good thing that we put fan to on. Last time would probably be way more frozen up this time, but we changed that contactor. It got everything running and everything's good to go. They are back to normal. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and comment below. We'll see you next time.